All the organisms are composed of cell. Organism made up of organism composed of cell. Some are composed of single cell. These are called single celled organism. मतलब जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स में एक ही सेल रहेगा, वन सेल, सिंगल सेल ऑर्गेनिज्म, यूनिसेलुलर। তারপর হচ্ছে when other like us human composed of many cell are called multicellular organism. তারপরে what is cell? Then what is cell? Unicellular organisms are capable of independent existence. मतलब यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म इंडिपेंडेंट एग्जिस्टेंट होगा and performing essential function of life. Anything less than complete structure of cell does not ensure independent living. Hence, the cell is the fundamental, structural, and functional unit of all living organisms. तो all living organisms का fundamental, structural, and functional. फंडामेंटल स्ट्रक्चरल फंक्शनल यूनिट ऑफ ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म क्या है? सेल। डिस्कवरी कौन किया था? एंटन वॉन लीeuwenhoek फर्स्ट देखा था एंड डिस्क्राइब द लाइफ सेल। रॉबर्ट ब्राउन लेटर डिस्कवर द न्यूक्लियस कौन डिस्कवर किया था? रॉबर्ट ब्राउन। द invention of microscope and improvement leading to electron microscope revealed all the structural details of cell. Cell theory. तो सेल थ्योरी में क्या है? सेल थ्योरी 1838 मैथिस स्लाइडेन, German botanist, examined large number of the plant cell. That all the plant composed of different kind of cell from the tissues of plant. At about the same time, Theodore Swan. तो कौन है? Sladen and Swan. Sladen and Swan cell theory. German zoologist studied different types of animal cells and report that cell had thin outer layer, and which today known as the plasma membrane. He also concluded based on his studies on plant tissue and that presence of cell wall unique characteristic of plant. एक कौन किया था? He also conclude, मतलब एक स्वान का बात बोला। So conclude characteristic of plant cell on the basis of Swan. मतलब ये स्वान का नहीं, स्लेडन का बात करें। He also conclude on his studies plant tissue that presence of cell wall is any characteristic of plant cell. On the basis of Swan proposed the hypothesis in basis of animal and plants composed of cell, product of cell. So animals and plants are composed of cell, मतलब सेल से बना हुआ है, एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेल। स्लेडन एंड स्वॉर्ड टुगेदर फॉर्मुलेट द सेल थ्योरी। सेल थ्योरी कौन दिया था? स्लेडन एंड स्वॉर्ड। दिस थ्योरी हाउएवर डिड नॉट एक्सप्लेन हाउ न्यू सेल आर फॉर्म। क्या एक्सप्लेन नहीं करता है? explain how cell are formed, मतलब cell division. एक्सप्लेन नहीं करता. Rudolf Virchow, the first, explained the cell derived a new cell divided and new cell are formed from the pre-existing cell, omnicellular, acellular. एक क्वेश्चन आता है. He modified hypothesis of Sladen and so on and give the cell theory. Final said cell theory understood today is all living organisms are composed or product of cell. Sladen swan का all cell arise from pre-existing cell. ये रोडोल्फ वर्चो ये दिया था स्लेडन एंड सॉन एंड रोडोल्फ वर्चो.